terrorize na.
Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to start with set theory. All right. So let's get started. Open your your rough note. Have your stationery with you. Quickly work out and give me the answers. All right, students? Yes. So let A is equal to 1, 2, set 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then which of the following is true? 3 is an element of A. 1, 3 is an element of A. 1, 2 is an element of A, or is it none? All right. So I'm just waiting for your answers. So with me, I can see Shri Nitya, Edulla Umesh. Umesh, very good evening to you all. You can quickly give me the answers. Being the first questions, let us do it for you. It is 1, 2 is an element of A. Isn't it? So what you find in that set A is only 1, 2. Not 1, 3, nor 3 separately. Isn't it? All right. Let's move on to the next question. Among the following constitutes well-defined objects is dash. Among the following constitutes well-defined objects is dash. Beautiful children, good newspapers, tall boys, orange trees in the garden. So, what do you mean by well-defined? Well-defined is something which is very specific, which doesn't have a general term, right? So, very specific. See, beautiful children, there are many children. Which children are we referring about? We don't know. So, good newspapers, most of the newspapers are good. They are coming out with exact news. Which one they are referring? We don't know. Tall boys, many boys are tall. Which tall boy it is being referred? We don't know. Next, orange trees in the garden. So, in the garden, there is an orange tree. Right? So specifically, you are going to give the colors. So well-defined object is that. All right, students. So your option is orange trees in the garden. All right. So students, you can quickly give me the answers. Yes, Nitin, hi. Sri Nitya. Then Sri Vennala, then Lingaya. So many have given me the answers. Good. All right, let's see the next question. A well-defined collection of objects is called dash. So is it option 1, 2, 3, or 4? Option 1 says object. Object 2 says property. Object 3 says element. Object 4 says set. A well-defined collection of objects is called dash. All right, so yes, I am getting the answers. Not more than 1 minute can be allowed for such questions, students. It's all very simple one. A well-defined collection of objects is called, obviously, a set. Yes. All right, good. Those who've given me the answers, excellent. See the next question paper. Next question. If A and B be two non-empty sets, then what is A minus B? Okay, so it is A intersection B dash. Right, so these are all formula, students. So if you do not know, please note it down in your notebook. So that is why whenever the class starts, you should be ready with your notebook and your pen and pencil. All right. So what is A minus B? A minus B is nothing but A intersection B dash. Srinitya has given me option 4. You're right. Then Umesh has given me option 4. Yes, you're right. Nitin says it's a property, correct. Lingaya says it's option 4. You're right. Sri Vennala says 3. It is option 4. All right, good. Good students that you all are giving me a good response. With this, we are moving on to the next question. Yes, it is A intersection B dash. It's option 3. Sorry. Third one, the next question. Set theory was proposed by dash. Is it Cantor? Is it Boole? Or is it Pythagoras? Or is it Newton? Set theory was proposed by dash. Cantor, Boole, Pythagoras, or Newton. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Yes, I am getting the answers. Let's see what is the correct answer. So not more than 1 minute can be taken for giving such theory questions, and the answer is Cantor. All right, Nitin, the answer is Cantor, not second option. All right, see the next question. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 2, 4, 6, 8, then what is A minus B? Right? So you should know that what is A minus B is, yes. So A minus B is, in A, B should not be there. Okay. So in whatever is there in A, see here. So 1 is there. Okay. But in B, 1 is not there. So whatever is there in A, it should not be there in B. 2 is there. Okay. So you cannot take 2. 3 is not there in B. So take 3. 4 is there. 4 is also here. That's all. So when it is A minus B, you should first see only A. All right. Yes. So good. Your answer is 1, 3, option 3. All right. See the next question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then the correct statement is dash. 3 is a subset of A. 2, 3 is a subset of A. 3 is an element of A. Both 1 and 2 is correct. All right. So very simple question, students. I'm sure you can definitely answer this. Right. Srinitya says it's 3. I have AP Gamer. Please log in with your names, students, so that I can call you by your name. Right. Lingaya says option 3. Yes, it is option 3. Okay, so 3 is an element of A. The first question that we saw was similar kind, isn't it? All right, now let's move on to the next question. Which of the following can be used to denote a set? Which of the following can be used to denote a set? Is it X? Is it Q? Is it capital X or is it M? X, Q, capital X or M? Yes. Obviously, it should be X, isn't it? So we usually write X such that X2 is an element in the set, isn't it? So we use the capital X. So usually capital letters in uppercase are used to denote sets. All right. Now let's see the next question. N of A intersection B is 8. N of A is 6, N of B is 4. Then what is N of A union B? Right? Because we have a formula. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So what is N of A? 6 plus what is N of B? 4 minus what is N of A intersection B? It is 8. So 6 plus 4, 10 minus 8 is 2. Therefore, your option 1, that is answer 2, is correct. Yes. Zohas Junia Ganta. You say option 1. Sri Vanilla says 1. Lingaya says 1. Sri Nitya says 1. Yes, almost everybody has given me the right answers. Good students, let's move on to the next question. Among the following, a null set is dash. Among the following, a null set is dash. Option 1, X such that X, which is less than 5, and X is an element of N. x such that x square is equal to 4, comma, x is an element of n. Option 3, x such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X is an element of n. And fourth one, x such that x is even prime. All right? Yes. Let's see who's going to give me the right answers. Your 1 minute is running. In fact, try to give me the correct answers. Yes, many. Srinitya says option 3. Yes, Zohas, isn't it? Okay, Zohas. Lingaya says 2. Sri Venela says 3. Zohas says 3. Let's see. Yes, it is right. X such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0. And x is an element of n. Good. Yes, it has been beautifully described here. X square plus 1 is 0, which means that x square is equal to minus 1. So x will be equal to plus or minus of root of minus 1. So in root, if you get minus, it means that it should be I, isn't it? So it is not an element of n. Therefore, a null set is x such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is an element of n. All right? Yes. Let's see the next question. 1, 2, 3 represent subset of dash numbers. 1, 2, 3 represent a subset of dash numbers. Is it natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, or all? 1, 2, 3 represents subset of dash numbers. Is it natural, whole, integers, or all? Lingaya says option 4. Sri Vanilla says 1. Zohas says 4. Bogi Charan says option 1. Nitin, option 1. Let's see, it is all. 1, 2, 3 represents natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and all. All right, because they're all part of natural numbers and whole numbers and integers. All right, let's see the next question. Let A, B are two sets such that n of A is 5, n of B is 7, then the maximum. Okay, see the question. Then the maximum number of elements in A union B is dash. Right? So please understand the question. It's very simple one. A, B are two sets. Okay, such that n, A is 5, n, B is 7, then the maximum number of elements in A union B is dash. Is it minus 7, 9, 12, or none? Yes. So here I'm getting the answer. Lingaya says 3, Sri Vanilla says 3, Sri Nitya says 1. And it is option 3 correct because A has 5, B has 7. When you say it is union, then you need to add it, isn't it? So 7 plus 5, 12. So when it is union, then you should add it. All right. So A union B will be n of A plus n of B. That is 5 plus 7. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Good students who have given the answers. Very good. You all are really doing great. All right. Among the following, having only one subset is dash. Among the following, having only one subset is dash. 1, 4, 5, 0, or empty set. Okay. So 1, 4, 5, 0, or empty set. So which has only one subset? All right. So I'm getting the answers. Let's see. It is option 4. Right? Yes. See the next question. N union of 0 is dash. N union of 0 is dash. Yes, let's see the answer. It is W. Okay. Because n union of 0 is nothing but 1, comma 2 and so on. So which is an union of 0. So 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3 and so on. It represents W. All right, students. So I'm sure you would have understood this. Let's move on to the next question. If A union B is A union C and A intersection B is A intersection C, then which of the following is right? B is a subset or equal to C. A is equal to B, which is equal to C. B is equal to C. B is a subset or equal to C, or is a subset or equal to A. All right. So if A union B is equal to A union C and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, then B is a subset or equal to C. A is equal to B is equal to C. B is equal to C. B is a subset or equal to C, or is a subset or equal to A. All right, let's see the answer. It is option C. B is equal to C. All right, so A union B is equal to A union C and A intersection B is A intersection C, which means that B is equal to C. All right. If n of A is 10, n of B is 5, such that A, comma B are disjoint sets, then what is n of A union B? So I'm just seeing the answers. Who's going to give me the answer? Yeah, right. So from now, I think I can get the answer because the question has already been displayed. N of A is 10, n of B is 5. Yes, Umesh says option 3. Okay, that is 15, he says. Others haven't given me the answer yet. Let me repeat the question. N of A is 10, N of B is 5, such that A, comma B are disjoint sets. Then what is N of A union B? Okay. Sri Vidya says 4. Sri Vanilla says 3. Charan says 2. Lingaya says 3. Aditya says 3. Kavya Sri says 3. Okay. Yes, it is 3. All of your answers are correct. Perfect. Right. Because you can see the explanation which comes over here. N of A is 10, N of B is 5. So what is N of A intersection B is 0. So we know the formula N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B, which is 10 plus 5 minus 0 is equal to 15. Right? Yes. So good that most of you have given me the right answers. Set of integers is denoted by dash. W, N, C, Z. Set of integers is denoted by W, N, C, Z. Yes. Now I'm getting the answers. Lingaya, Sri Sailam. Okay. Okay, thank you, Sri Sailam. Next I have Umesh, Kavya Sri, Aditya, Nitin, Charan, Sri Vendra, Sri Vanilla, Zohas, Anand. Okay, I'm getting many answers. Yes, option 4 is the correct one. Perfect. See the next question. If A is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, then the cardinality of set A is dash. Is it 3, is it 4, is it 5, or is it 6? Let me repeat the question. If A is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, then the cardinality of set A is dash 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Many says it is 6. That is option 4. Okay, let's see the answer. It is 4. Option 2. Because you have 1, 2, 3, 4. What is cardinality? Means number of elements in set A. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. All right, students. So if you have made any mistakes, absolutely no issues. Please ensure that you learn it at least at this point of time. All right. Yes. See the next question. If A intersection B is B, then the correct statement is dash. A is a subset of B. B is a subset of A. A is not equal to null set or B is not equal to null set. Okay. If A intersection B is B, then the correct statement is A is a subset of B. B is a subset of A. A is not equal to null set. B is not equal to null set. Okay. I'm getting the answers. Lokesh, Sri Vanilla, Kavya, Aditya, Charan, Anant Chari, Zohas. Then I have Edula, Umesh. Okay, good students, it is option 2. B is a subset of A. Because A intersection B is B, which means that B is a subset of A. All right? Yes. Let's move on to the next little interesting question. Identify set among the following. Okay. Collection of prime numbers less than 20. Collection of stars in the sky. Collection of tallest people in India. None. Collection of prime numbers less than 20. Collection of stars in the sky. Collection of tallest people in India, or is it none? Let's see the answer. It is collection of prime numbers less than 20, because a set should have something defined. Okay. So stars, see the second one, collection of stars, it cannot be counted nor can be defined. Number of tallest people, there are many who is tall. But see the first option, collection of prime numbers less than 20. Yes. So prime numbers less than 20 is countable, isn't it? Okay. Right. So which is well defined. All right. See the next question. Yes, many of you have given me the answers. Sri Sailam, Sri Veshta, Aditya, then Umesh. Good. Many of you have given me the right answers. Correct. See the next question. If A, comma B are disjoint sets such that n of A is 4 and n of A union B is 7, then n of B is dash. Okay. If A, comma B are disjoint sets such that n of A is 4 and n of A union B is 7, then n of B is dash. Okay. So answer is 3. How? N of A is 4. N of A union B is 7. So n of A intersection B must be 0. So you can put in the formula n of A union B is nothing but n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So substitute it, n of A union B is 7. N of A is 4 plus n of B, we don't know. That's what we are supposed to find. Minus n of A intersection B is 0. So what is n of B? 7 minus 4, which is 3. All right. So hope you have got the answer. All right, students. So hope you have given the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. If A and B are two sets such that n of A is 70, n of B is 60, n of A union B is 110, then what is n of A intersection B? Right. So here, I'm sure this doesn't require any explanation, because n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, isn't it? So A union B is 110, n of A is 70, n of B is 60 minus n of A intersection B, right? So 110 minus 130 is equal to minus n of A intersection B. So 20 minus 20 is minus n of A intersection B. Minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, n of A intersection B is 20. So your option must be 4. All right. Yes, let's see the answer. Yes, it is 4. Many of you have given me the correct answer. Chari, Lokesh, Zohas, Sri Vanilla, Sri Nitya, many more has given me the correct answer. Good students. See the next question. Set of all vowels in English alphabet is dash. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, B, K, A, E, I, P, Q, E, I, O, U, M, and G. Very simple question. Everybody knows what are the vowels, isn't it? Yes, I've started getting the answers. Lingaya says option 1. Sri Vanilla says option 1. Zohas says option 1. Nitin says 1. Lokesh says 1. Anand says 1. And so on. Good. Yes, it is option 1. A, E, I, O, U. Correct. Yes. See the next question. An object of a set is called dash. Is it a subject? Is it a number? Is it an alphabet? Or is it an element? Yes, Kavishri, you're right. Now we have moved on to the next question. See, an object of a set is called dash. Subject, number, alphabet, element. All right? Yes. Umesh says option 2. It is option D. That is element. Yes. Nitin says element. Correct. Nitin, you're right. Anand says option D. Right. Now Nitin says option D. Correct. Anand says option D. Yes, you're right. Many of you are giving me the right answers. Perfect. See the next question. If the set A has 64 subsets in it, then n of A is dash. Okay. If the set A has 64 subsets in it, right? So then what is n of A? Right? So it is 6 because if n of A is equal to n, then the number of subsets of A is 2 power n. So 2 power n is 64, which means 2 power 6 is 64, which means n is equal to 6. Yes, Sri Shailam has given me option 2. You're right. Anant says B. Yes. Charan says 2. Correct. Perfect. Good. So 2 power n is 64. What is n? Which is 6. All right. Yes. See the next question. The set of rational numbers is denoted by dash. The set of rational numbers is denoted by R, Q, C, Z. The set of rational numbers is denoted by R, Q, C, Z. And it is Q. Okay. All right. See the next question. The symbol used for belongs to is which one? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Yes, because these things sometimes students are confusing. So that is why this question has been included. Yes. The symbol used for belongs to is option 1, 2, 3, or 4. Many of you are saying yes. Sri Vanilla says 3. Zoha says 3. Anand says 3. All right. Yes, it is option 3. Belongs to. And option 4 says it does not belong to. Okay. Right. See the next question. If n comma a is 7, n comma b is 4, then the maximum possible number of elements present in A union B is dash. Yes, it's very simple. N of A plus N of B, isn't it? So let's see the answer. It is 11. Yes. Let's see how many of you have given me the answer. Many of you have given me the correct answer. Yes, Lingaya, Lokesh, Zuhas, Anant, Anjali. Many of you have given me the right answer. Yes. Right. See the next question. Q union Q dash is dash. Is it P? Is it N? Is it W? Is it R? Q union Q dash is P, N, W, R. It is R, option 4. Because Q is real numbers, Q dash is irrational numbers. Right. See the next question. The set of all real numbers is dash. Is it a null set? Is it a finite set? Is it an infinite set? Or is it none? The set of all real numbers is dash. Is it a null set? Is it a finite set? Is it an infinite set? Or is it none? All right. Yes, the answer is infinite set. Okay. See the next question. Among the following, a pair of disjoint sets is dash. A minus B, comma A intersection B. B minus A, comma A intersection B. A minus B, comma B minus A. Or is it all? Right? Yes. See the next question. A minus B, comma A intersection B. B minus A, comma A intersection B. A minus B, comma B minus A. Or is it all? Almost all of you have given me option 3 and some says 4. Yes, so it is all. Okay. So what do you mean by disjoint sets here? A minus B is a disjoint set. A intersection B is a disjoint set. Okay. So B minus A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. All right. See the next question. Set builder form of 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on till 20 is dash. Set builder form of 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on till 20 is dash. First one, x such that x is prime. X is less than or equal to 20. Second one, 2x such that x is equal to 1, 2 and so on till 10, x is an element of n. Third one, x square such that x is an element of n. And the fourth one, it is none. Okay, so many of you have given me answers. It is option 2. Okay, Sri Sailam has given me option 2 correctly. Charan has given me 2. Nitin has given me 2. Good students. All others, please check your answers. See the next question. The number of elements in the empty set is dash. 0, null set, 1 or infinity. The fourth one is called as infinity, right? Infinity means undefined. Okay. So the number of elements in the empty set is 0, null set, 1 or infinity. It is 0. See the next question. Among the following, a correct statement is dash. A is an union of null set, which is equal to A. A is an intersection of null set, which is equal to null set. A union A is equal to A intersection A, which is A, or all of these. Okay, so I'm getting a mixed answer of option 2, option 1. Zohas, Nitin, Lingaya, Anjali. Okay, let's see. It is all of these. Okay. See the next question. Set builder form of 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on till 19 is dash. Set builder form of 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on till 19 is dash. X such that x is odd and x is less than or equal to 19. See the second option, 2x such that x is an element of n and x is less than or equal to 7. The third one, x plus 2 by X is an element of N or all of the above. So you have to see the set builder form of 1, 3, 5, 7, 90. Yes, let's see the answer. It is option 1. Anant, Lingaya, Sunita, Nitin, Zohas, everybody have given me the right answer. Almost everybody. Good students. See the next question. Among the following, a singleton set is dash. Is it 0 or an empty one or a null set or both 1 and 3? Okay. Yes. Sri Shailam, you are giving me the answers too. Correct. Yes. And here I'm getting the answer as 2. It is option D, both 1 and 3. That is both 1 and, see, the thing is it is mixed 1, 2, 3, 4. No, so both 1 and 3. All right. See the next question. Which of the following is true? 1 is a subset of N. 0 is a subset of W. -3 is an element of Z, or is it none? Which of the following is true? 1 is a subset of N, 0 is a subset of W, -3 is a subset of Z, or is it none? Yes, I'm getting a mixed answer here. Many of you are giving me the answers. Edulla Umesh, Nitin, Charan, Kamyashri. Yes, students, if you want me to call your name, the names that is coming out, it should be in the form of your proper name, not in any other code words, isn't it? So write your name, at least if you have not registered with your proper name. Like Anant, Lingaya, right? Yes. It is option 3, correct. -3 is an element of Z. See the next question. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is dash. Null set, or is it mu, or is it A, or is it B? So 4 options are given. Null set, mu, A, B. Okay. Yes. See the answer. It is B. Because A is a subset of B, which means A is union B, which is nothing but B. Right? Yes. Probably this would be our last question. Among the following, an incorrect statement is dash. B is a subset of A, that is, which implies A is union B, A union B is A. B is a subset of A, which implies A intersection B is equal to B. N union W is an intersection of Z, which is W. A is a subset of B. B is a subset of A, which implies A is not equal to B. Yes. Option 4 is the correct one. A is a subset of B. B is a subset of A, which means that A is not equal to B. Okay. Yes. So hope you all would have understood and enjoyed today's session. Thank you so much to all the students for your great response, and keep subscribing to our channels, and we are having almost all days classes. So do subscribe to our channel 7, and any questions to be asked, you can always ask, inquire at this number, our WhatsApp number 733-728-5228. And in the description box, the Google form is given. So you can fill that, and you can pass it on to your friends, your teachers, your relatives, and your neighbors, so that they can also, subscribe and get benefited by this. So of course, we are offering all other courses also. So please get the details by inquiring at this WhatsApp number. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow with another very interesting topic. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.